There's the distillery, all the places they were talking about in the video. I don't know where that blue thing is. So he was oh, it's up top there, it's the blue thing. But there it is, and the fire's underneath it there and everything. Yeah, we're going to do some tasting now, I think. Okay, let's go. Bottling thing, really old stuff there. You know, this doesn't look all that clean here, but yeah. There's all the bottling.
She said the flavor is spicy. The flavor is different.
This is the long life with the special glass and 50 proof.
Or dump it. Is that okay?
Okay, who else wants to try? Okay.
Cave up here. Gotta watch your step. Here. Little uphill travel here. Be downhill coming back though. Alright. Part of the town over there, I guess. As we're walking down here. Yeah. Alright, nice little breeze coming in here. It's a little bit cool here, which is good. Look at this big rock overhang here. Big rock. Big rock. Here. Better watch my step. Look at that inside a rock. That's a big old rock, alright. Kind of washed out maybe years, millions of years ago here. Little drop of water coming down here. A little cooler here. It's nice, nice. Got more of these like rocks here and everything. Got this little jobby here. I don't know what that is. Looks like a patch or something, but maybe it's some other kind of dirt. But we're still going down here. Nice and cool. There is our mighty ship out there waiting for us. As well it should.
Oh, okay, there. This is it.
This is the... I thought it was...
Sweat too much to get here.
Yeah. Yeah, mighty ship. We're at the end here. It's not much. It's just like a walk-through cave, kind of like an overhang. And I'm here. The kid made it. So it's a nice breeze blowing here. This is the end of the cave. It's just kind of a walk-through. So it's not real like we would call a real cave. But still, it's so nice and cool right here. Breezy, not slippery at all. There's no water here. So,
Not fluent, but I understand Chinese.
Do you ever still get Chinese tourist groups?
Many.
Many?
Yes. But for me, my Chinese not that good.
Not good enough.
the rocks up here.
There you go.
See all these different ones here. There's our ship out there. We're still in that walkway by the cave. The town, not that many people on this island. Very small island. That's why you see hardly any traffic out there. Yeah. All green, very green here. Yep. And we're up here. In this cave up here. There's some old writing up here.
It wasn't too vinegary. It was sweet.
Yeah, it was sweet. Right. There's a little emblem at the top. Those of you who can read Japanese, you might be able to interpret that. You got a bench here. Got a bird that bit the dust here. Maybe ran into a wall or something. I don't know. Poor birdie. He's down there. Oh, look at those formations up here and everything. Really neat. Yeah. Going back down the trail here. Looking out over there. I'll have to put the name down at the bottom. It's still hard to remember all these different islands and different names and everything, where I am, what I'm doing. I am only one man, you know. Okay. Here we got some water draining down from yonder. This one looks pretty greenish looking. I'm not going to stick my hand in that one or this one, but further down there was one, he said it was clean water. So we come up here to the steps. Walking back to the bus here. Everybody else is here. We got some steps here, so I better mind the steps here. Okay. Okay, going back down the trail. All dark in here. Nice and shady, very lush. Maybe I missed that water thing. I think it's down here further. I don't know. Keep on going here. I don't see any critters. there anything here? Just that dead bird is all back. Oh, the water thing is up here, I think. Yeah, I think it's up here. All right. Okay, we're going to test out some of this water down here. And, oh, it's so nice and cool here. Very cool water. I'm going to use my hat. Very cool, very cool. Cool water down here. Yes, it is. Oh, look at that. That's that water. Yeah, coming out of it. Very good, very good. Good water here, okay. There it is. Down here. Coming down from a big pipe from up yonder there. Alright. Right next to the water, this little shrine here. Basically leave offerings maybe to the water goddess or something here. I don't know. But I'm not going to walk up there to disturb it, or even if I'm allowed, I'm not going to do that. Alright, let's move on down here. Going on down. Oh, looks like a bathroom down here if you need to go along the trail. Okay. Well, so it was pretty nice walking down there, even though it wasn't a cave, but it was a nice walk, cool breeze down there. You could sit here in the afternoon with your favorite male or female friend. In my case, it would be a female friend, and while away the afternoons there. So here, heading back to the bus, coming out into the sun here a little bit. So we get a little bit of sun, a little bit of shade here. So it's all good. All good. I have one more day after today of touring, then it's flying home, flying home. All right, see you later. Well, I'm still along the trail here, but looks like maybe a long time ago, here's all these concrete things with these very, very high steps, extremely high. And it looks like you could go up there, and there's another stone thing with an inscription. So this might have been an old trail, because there's more concrete there. And now it became unsafe, I guess. Maybe a tsunami came or a typhoon and knocked a lot of stuff down. So they made this much better trail. But there's something up there. You can see it up there somewhere with an inscription on it. Okay. This is the Zodiac and the kayak storage here. Yeah. So they stored them all inside here. You got the big open doors in the back. Got the cranes to lift them out. So yeah, they're coming in from the back of the ship today. There's the thing they would use for the snorkeling, but we're not allowed to use it here. Where that goes in between two Zodiacs. All right. Feel the coolness of the AC now.